Yesterday, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, the cabinet minister, Mr. Kumaraswamy, had come here to lay the foundation stone for a steel plant, a joint venture steel plant by Mittal and the Nippon Group. The Chief Minister, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, along with all his cabinet, was also present there, and it was a grand affair. But the incentives given to the Mittal steel plant surprise the people of Andhra Pradesh, because the same incentives that the Vizag steel plant had been asking since the past decades, the same incentives were denied the Vizag steel plant but given to Mittal steel plant today. Congress party is questioning how this was possible. It's questioning BJP's and TDP's discretion. The same demands that Vizag steel plant made, say for example, captive mines. Vizag steel has been asking for captive mines since a very, very long time. But captive mines were not given to Vizag steel. But today Mittal steel has the same captive mines. The Bailadilla Chhattisgarh steel iron ore that the Vizag steel was demanding, the same Bailadilla iron ore is now assured as captive mines to Mittal steel. Vizag steel has been asking for a captive port. It was denied, but the captive port is been sanctioned to the Mittal steel. Like this, many things, electrical subsidy or so many for that matter. The same water that was allocated to Vizag steel is been now diverted to Mittal steel. So Congress party is questioning their diligence to Visakhapatnam steel. The Visakhapatnam steel is, as on today, also being threatened to be privatized. The minister came all the way. He went to Visakhapatnam steel, but didn't have the courage to assure them that this plant will not be privatized. The Congress party is challenging the BJP and the TDP. Try giving both of them equal benefits. Try giving both of them equal opportunities. Give them a level footing and see which one performs better. We are assuring you, we are very, very confident that Visakhapatnam will outdo Mittal steel. We are not against Mittal steel coming. We are not against new industries coming to Andhra Pradesh. We need new industries. We need jobs for our youth. Yes, we do. But we don't need this discrimination and, the attempt to privatize Visakhapatnam steel is something we cannot bear. Congress party is challenging the BJP.